Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the car. The 2026 Chevy El Camino SS captures the essence of both muscle car power and utility with a sleek, modern design. Its aggressive stance is highlighted by sharp body lines and a wide front grille, giving it a bold presence on the road. The El Camino's smooth, aerodynamic shape is complemented by striking alloy wheels and a carefully sculpted rear bed, emphasizing its unique blend of performance and practicality. With its sporty front end and muscular profile, it's a nod to the El Camino's iconic legacy while embracing contemporary style. Inside, the 2026 El Camino SS offers a driver-focused cabin designed to blend comfort with modern technology. The seats are crafted from premium materials, offering support during both relaxed drives and spirited moments on the road. The interior features a digital display, providing easy access to a variety of driving modes and entertainment options. The advanced infotainment system supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. With ample storage space, including the iconic truck bed, the interior strikes the right balance between performance-focused features and practicality. Under the hood, the 2026 El Camino SS is equipped with a powerful 6.2-liter V8 engine that provides thrilling acceleration and a deep, rumbling exhaust note. This engine pairs with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and optimal power delivery. With rear-wheel drive and a refined suspension system, the El Camino SS provides exceptional handling, whether tackling tight corners or cruising down highways. Its towing capacity and utility are further enhanced by the robust bed design, making it as capable as it is exhilarating. The 2026 Chevy El Camino SS is a perfect fusion of strength, style, and versatility. Whether you're looking to make a statement on the road or carry cargo with ease, the El Camino offers a unique driving experience that combines the best of both worlds. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.